Today I wanted to dip into the new Anastasia Riviera palette, so I created this pink and gold cut crease that's giving me major pink lemonade vibes. After priming and setting the eye, I'm first using Estate as our transitionary shade, which is a light, warm peach with a subtle satin finish. I'm using the fluffy side of the brush that comes with the palette, and I'll be trying to use this brush as much as possible throughout the video. Next, I'm deepening the crease with Monte Carlo, a matte medium pink. I want this look to be super pink, so I'm flipping the brush over to the denser side and packing Bahamas into the crease as well, which is a matte bright fuchsia. I am switching to a flat concealer brush for the cut crease. I like to occasionally look straight ahead, allowing the concealer to transfer, and use that as a guideline for how far up I should bring my cut crease. Then I'm using my finger to lightly blend out the edge of the concealer to prevent any harsh lines. Before the concealer has a chance to crease, I'm setting it with Inheritance, a metallic sunshine yellow. I'm transitioning the gold into the pink with Palermo, but looking back, that's probably not the best choice of color to transition with. Palermo is a metallic pink, but it has a plummy, purpley undertone that pushes it towards the complementary side of the color wheel when trying to blend with a gold like Inheritance. It's doable, but can easily become muddy if you try to force them to blend, so stick to stippling motions, layering the plum and gold with a very light hand. Next, I'm going back in with Bahamas with a teensy tiny brush, just to make sure that the pink is super bright and boldly contrasting against the gold. Softly blend out any harsh lines, being careful not to disturb the gold. I'm going back in with more Palermo because I felt like there wasn't enough pink on the lid of this half cut crease. Honestly, looking back, I should have taken it even further in. Oh well, let's clean up any fallout and move on to the lower lid. First, I'm sweeping Monte Carlo all along the lower lash line. Buff out any harsh edges. Then I'm deepening the outer half with Bahamas, being sure to connect to the upper lid. Blend the pinks together. Optionally, you can line the waterline with a gold eyeliner. Highlight the brow bone and inner corner with Sails, a matte white. Now the look is basically done, but I thought it would be perfect for trying out this bright pink liquid liner that I just got. As always, I'm beginning my wing by following the angle of my lower lash line. Then, starting not quite at the tip to keep the point nice and sharp, begin to connect the wing to the upper lash line. Draw a thin line right along the base of your lashes, slowly thickening the line as you connect it to the rest of the wing. And that's it. Finish off the look with some mascara and you're done. There are so many different looks you can create with this palette, and I have a lot planned, so please subscribe if you want to see more. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, where I post sneak peeks and updates. Feel free to let me know what you think of this look and request any looks you'd like to see. Thanks for watching! You can find a product list in the description box below.